Hi everyone! Today we're gonna do I ready reading. Say I ready reading. Not I ready math, but I ready reading. Let's click on it to enjoy. We're going quick. We're on level C. Can't you see? The world level C. Can't you see? Level C. Now it's time to get in 100% like normal. Not 98, not 99, but one more closer, it's 199. 95, 94, 91. 0. Guys, I edited it in fast mode. Should I do it again? 0, 1, 2, 100. So guys, in a pep talk.
Pep talk. A pep talk is a short speech given to encourage someone or make them feel better.
Charla motivacional. Una charla motivacional es un pequeño...
So guys, that's what a pep talk is. Help him win. That's wrong.
Tap what Ray doesn't want to do.
Oh. He didn't want to disappoint.
Ray does not want to disappoint Grandpa. When you disappoint someone, you fail to do something they had hoped you would do.
I know.
How does Ray want Grandpa to feel instead?
He wants him to feel happy, oh. Happy. Guys. Meow. From his.
What is special about Grandpa's moccasins? Moccasins are handmade soft leather shoes that have been worn by Native Americans for hundreds of years. Different tribes have their own ways of decorating their moccasins, so people can tell which tribe a person belongs to by looking at their moccasins. Grandpa Half Moon is part of the Seminole Cherokee Nation. Ray gets the idea to make a picture of Grandpa Half Moon's moccasin because he thinks it will remind Grandpa of his tribe and family back in Oklahoma.
In Oklahoma. Let's listen it in Spanish now.
¿Qué tienen de especial los mocasines de Grandpa? Los mocasines son zapatos de cuero suave hechos a mano por los indígenas de América del Norte y que ellos usan desde hace cientos de años. Las diferentes tribus tienen sus propias maneras de decorar los mocasines, de modo que se puede distinguir a qué tribu pertenece una persona al mirar sus mocasines. Grandpa Half Moon pertenece a la nación seminola, Cherokee. Ray tuvo la idea de retratar el mocasín de Grandpa Half Moon porque cree que le traerá a Grandpa recuerdos de su tribu y su familia en Oklahoma.
Why does it say like Grandpa in English? Listen again, guys.
¿Qué tienen de especial los mocasines de Grandpa?
You heard Grandpa. Look, Krister's channel. Yeah, Krister's channel. Not mine. Moccasins.
What
Put on
happens in the middle of the
moccasins.
story? Add the event to the chart.
We don't need any audio support.
What is special about Grandpa's moccasins?
So if someone speaks Spanish but does not know any English, and if I speak English, people are like, hey, I'm jealous of this guy. Like, los métodos son niplas de collo save. Get. Okay, so will it be shoes, lunch, or books? Guys, you know how my last video on this video, there's like the get out. You hear the get out in this video. Yeah, still the same video. Yeah. This is my created playlist. This is me when I was a little baby, and then this is all of my videos. Then my I Ready videos. Then this is the top new videos. Yeah. 5 videos. And then, yeah, Hi Ready time. Not books. Yes, lunch. Department! I meant...
Collage.
What's
A collage is a picture made by gluing pieces of paper or other materials onto a surface.
Yes, you are completely smart. So let's see. Did he paste? No. Did he dip? No. But did he cut? Yes. Okay, this may not feel like normal, but I think we have to kind of do it to 50. Yeah, I'm sorry. Then he'd fill the outline with what it says shapes to create the shadows and textures. And yeah, how do I not know? That is my shoe. This guy shouted, "That is my shoe," but it wasn't. He wasn't sad. He was happy because he has that exact same shoe. Whatever this. What is it? Everyone's just looking at him. See this picture? How do I even zoom out? Okay. A prize hunter. He sold it.
What happens at the end of the story? Add the event to the chart.
Event to the chart. I hate this one. So, how did I just get it in one try? I just did not like that part. Is he sick? I don't want to see your sick face.
An I Ready character does a fist pump to celebrate you.
Okay, yeah, he is.
Fill in the blanks to retell accidental art.
Accidental art. Accidental art.
When Ray's painting is ruined, he wants to.
No, I'm just joking. He wants to cry. It doesn't. He wants to leave. Mama macaron. And yeah, that's what I mean.
Tap what Ray says about the art contest.
Grandpa Half Moon took off to the kitchen for paper towels, but Ray just sat up in bed and shook his head.
Now we're gonna do a countdown. Yeah, why is my channel even named Krister's channel? Well, my name is actually, my real name is Krister, but yeah, I don't know why I just put not my full name, because my last name is not Channel. Imagine it was. This is me going crazy. I mean, this be me. Guys, this is my second already video I posted today. So this is Krister's channel. Why is it called Krister's channel? Because my name is Krister. And yeah, my last name is Channel. Stop the cap. I mean, guys, did I cap? No, I didn't. Subscribe, like. Wait a minute. Did I just see a campfire? Guys, at the end of my videos, you sometimes see a campfire, don't you? You're like, oh, light this campfire to make me feel like I'm relaxing. Did I just earn a subscriber? No, you did not see it go up, I think. No, this is crazy. Subscribe now. If you subscribe, I'm giving you $1,000. Or I'm going to give you $100,000. Do you want that? Then subscribe. Get it. 2, 4, 5, 3. 2, 4, 5. Let's not zoom into my Krister channel. Let's zoom into the numbers. Tell me when a subscriber goes up while I rest. If it does, clap for joy. If one goes up, then clap. If it doesn't, don't clap. What does that say? Guys, if you're smart, subscribe. If you're not smart, then don't subscribe. Yeah, this is my subscriptions. Focus on the numbers. Krister's YouTube channel has this much of a sub. Guys, I really want to say this right now. And that's it for today. Bye, everyone. See you in our next video.